Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Alif. For our project, we as a group has managed to came up with this one idea, which is light activated switch circuit. So basically, light activated switch circuit is the objective is to light up this LED. So using this component, we call it is LDR. So how this switch, how this circuit works basically, when the LDR receive the light, the LED will turn off and vice versa.
This is Hazira. I will talk about LDR. What is LDR? LDR is light dependent resistor which has a changeable value depend on the light intensity. This is the example of curve graph relationship between the light intensity in the resistor. When the light intensity is less, so the resistor is high, and when the light intensity is more, so the resistor is low. This is LDR. When the light fall into the LDR, the resistance is low, and you can see 0.7 kilo ohm, and the LDR in the darkness, the resistance is high and increase into 17.5 kilo ohm.
Hello, my name is Siti Indana Suha. Today I will talk about transistor. Okay, what is transistor? Transistor is an amplifier or a switch. In our project, we use a transistor as a switch to control some parts in our circuit. How does a transistor work? Basically, transistor has a three component, which is collector, base and emitter. Okay, the function of base is to control the current from the collector to the emitter. For example, the similar function with the transistor is a water dam. Okay, this is a door, which is a base, and this is a water collector, and this side is a water for emitter. For example, if the base does not have any current, so the door will be closed. So the water from the collector cannot through to emitter. So if the base have a current, the door will open. So the water from the collector will connect to the emitter, and it will be a closed circuit.
Hi, I'm Emir. So I will be explaining on how our circuit works. So our circuit name is light activated switch circuit. So I will tell you on how the LED one will be on during the night and will be off during the day. So this is our diagram, our circuit diagram. So everything is in parallel. This is the first loop, the second loop, and the third loop. So for the third, we focus on the LED one. So the main thing is to get the LED one to be on during the night. So as we can track here from the base source, it goes through here and then pass through the LED and it will go through the transistor. But we need to identify whether the transistor base has a current flow or not, because it depends on the current flow on the base to determine whether it is the collector and the emitter is connected. So we tried the transistor, the base of the transistor through to here, and then it involved this loop. So this loop from the V source, it will go through R1, R2, and here it will comes to a junction. So this is LDR. So basically, when it is bright. So basically, when it is bright, the LDR has small amount of resistance, which is around 500 to 600 ohm only. So when the current is here, it will decide to choose the LDR path, because it offers the lowest resistance compared to the path here. So basically, what it means is when the current is here, it will all of the supply will go through the LDR, but none of it go through this junction, this path which connected to the base. So it means when it is on the daylight, the base has no current, hence the LED will be turned off. So what if it is on the night? So when there is no light emitted to the LDR, the resistance is increased drastically, around 20k or 16k, something like that. So when the current is here, it will decide. The main principle of current is it will choose the lowest resistance, the lowest path with the lowest resistance. So when it is at night, the current is huge here. So the current will choose an alternate path that offers a lower resistance. So the current will travel through here instead of here. So imagine this is blocked like an open circuit. So the only path is through here and then through the base. Hence, it will activate the transistor and the LED will light up during the night. So that is basically the main concept of our project. So thank you. That's all.
I'm Hakimi. Okay, now I will show you how I construct this project based on circuit given. Okay, from here you can see this is our 9V battery. This is our pentometer, 10K pentometer. This is 47K resistor alongside with LDR that connect another leg connect to the negative, and then here is the junction from the circuit connected to the base of the transistor. We're using transistor BC107. Okay, the emitter of the transistor connected to the negative circuit, and the collector, you can see here, it has a LED and 1K resistor, and here is another one LED. The anode connected to the positive and the cathode connected to the negative. Okay, now I will try to connect this circuit. So I put the positive and negative at the terminal. Okay. So you can see here, this LED is in the indicator to show that the battery is connected to the circuit. So if I close the LDR, the another one LED will be on. If I let it open, it will close. And this spectrometer can control the brightness of the LED. Okay, that's all.
Okay, for related information, I want to share you guys what are the system that use light activated switch. For example, street light. At the street light, when the LDR at the street light didn't receive any sunlight, it will automatically turn on the light. The other example is like smart house. The light in smart house will close if it didn't receive any sunlight.
Hi, I'm Koyu. So today I will talk about our conclusion in this project. So in this project, basically we invert the function of the LDR. Okay, from this circuit, when the LDR is blocked, the current flow will choose the lowest current path to the base of the transistor, and it will light up the LED. So for the next, LDR has the highest value in the darkness, and as the intensity of light illuminating on the resistor, the value will be reduced. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.